Xiaomi, yes, the phone company just released a free coding agent and it claimed it beats Claude Code on benchmarks. I didn't believe it, so I installed it, gave it a real task, and let me just show you what happened. So MiMo Code is an open source coding agent. Think Claude Code or Ada, but from Xiaomi. Dropped June 10, MIT licensed, free to use. What makes it interesting is it ships with a free built-in connection called MiMo Auto. It routes straight to Xiaomi's MiMo version 2.5 on their servers. No API key needed, no account. You just install it and it works. And the installation is very simple. If you're using Linux or Mac, you're going to use this command. But since I'm using Windows, I'm going to copy the command here. I'm going to go to my VS Code, open my command prompt, and I'm going to paste this, run it, and let's see. It takes some time, but you can see the installation is complete. And to start MiMo, all I need to do is to run the command MiMo. And you can see this has started MiMo. It says, do you trust this folder? Yes, I trust this folder. And this is my project folder. And you can see here it is. 30 seconds and all this is done. And we are ready to use it. All right, so for the task, I'm not going to give it a hello world. I want it to handle something real. We're going to give it a task to create a task management web app, and it is going to use the following tech stack. For the front end, it is going to use Tailwind CSS and TypeScript. For the back end, it is going to use Node, and for the database, it is going to use SQLite, which is a file-based database. So let's give it a try and see what it is going to build. I'm going to copy this prompt, go back to MiMo Code, and right here, I'm going to paste. So let's get started. You're going to see that it has started working. And right here, it says it is using MiMo version 2.5. And this is the MiMo Auto I talked about earlier. So you can also see in the files side here, you can see it has created a server.js. It has created a package.json. And if you want it to use a mode where it has to plan things out and give you the plan before it executes it, you can change from the build mode to plan mode, and that will help you with that. It is installing all the necessary dependencies. It has created a node server. It has also created an SQLite database. So now that it has finished building, to run our server, we're going to open another command prompt, and I'm going to run node server.js. And it says it has started our server on port 3000. I'm going to go to my browser and go on port 3000. Let me just refresh this. It says there are no tasks yet, so I'm going to create my first task, create a YouTube video. I'm going to add this. All right, it seems like it has created. Let me try to add another task. Go to the gym, add the task. And then another thing that we wanted to add to this was to be able to click if a task is either completed or not. So I'm going to try to refresh this and see if these things are being stored in the database. And you can see that they are being stored in the database. We can also delete a task, and you can see that is deleted. Let's refresh, and you can see that that is working. And for all these, we have used the MiMo Code. It's up to you to judge whether this works or not, whether it is a good model or not, but it is for free. So I think you can use it. So this last part matters the most. MiMo Auto is free right now, so you can use MiMo version 2.5 for free, but we do not know how long it is going to be free. The good thing is you can bring your own API keys and bring your own providers here and use them to code. So to do that, you can go, when you hit slash, it is going to give you the commands that are available. We are going to use the /connect, that one, and you can see it says the Xiaomi models are recommended, but we can choose to use other providers. We can import from Claude Code. So there are these opportunities. I'm going to click on other providers, and here you can select the provider that you want and bring your own API key.